if you ever wondered why lsj, the most often used command in the AutoUpgrade job console, has no sort of auto repeat, it has that now with lsj -a, and then you define a number of seconds, like 10 seconds. And then it repeats itself and you don't have to sit there. Even though, as we showed you before, we all prefer monitoring it in a browser. But in case you want to have the console or there's no browser available for AutoUpgrade monitoring, this is a good way as well, especially if you have more databases. Pro tip here, the repeat interval is between 7 seconds and 1,200 seconds, but not less than 7 seconds. Then, just with a slash, you can repeat the last command. You may notice from the bash, same thing, slash repeats the command, does exactly the same. And H or hist gives you history. Numbered history, so /1 in this example just executes the command stored here under 1, or /4 would execute a help again. Very simple. And then one thing in addition, status -config, you know, maybe status -job and then the job number giving you more information about the job, but status -config gives you more information about the current job, such as here the Oracle SID, or if you're upgrading to a target CDB or not, other things, tune parameters, and so on, some system parameters, which upgrade fatal errors, will just break the upgrade and such. And one thing we would just to have stand out here is AutoUpgrade. Take this as a teaser. There's a new feature coming very, very soon for AutoUpgrade, which has to do with patching. And I think it's one of the most requested features for AutoUpgrade since day one. Now let me show you a quick demo here. So what do we do here in this demo? We do an AutoUpgrade with fix-ups. So I kick off my fix-ups and LSJ, I can do that, but I can also use a slash, as I showed you before, slash repeating that, or LSJ -a, 3. 3 does not work. 7 is the minimum. I should have read the documentation before. So 7 is the minimum, and now every 7 seconds, it will refresh the screen and repeat the command automatically. And just if you want to exit it, simply press enter and exit it. Let's do that now. Enter. Quick check with the history. /1 gets me the error again. Needs to be 7 seconds, so I should do /2 here, and this brings back the LSJ -a7 command again and repeats itself. Very simple.